When working in Excel, subtotals can be a real blessing. Here we have a list of names with values beside them, and this could be anything from a person's sales numbers, or if there were items, the number of times in which an item appeared in inventory, whatever. And if we select it all, go to Data and then Subtotals, and let's say every time the name changes, we're going to add the number. You can see how this can be quite effective in summing everything up. But what happens if we're only interested in the sum totals? If we copy this and then paste it elsewhere, as you can see, it pastes everything that's in between as well. Well, we only want to paste the subtotals. So how do we do that? Well, we could go in here and select and either command select or just using the control key on the PC, select each one of these, copy them, and then paste them. But what happens if we have a list with far more names? Let's say even 2 or 3 times more than we see here. That would be really problematic and time consuming to try and copy all of those and then paste them out. So I want to show you a simple trick in order to copy the subtotals and be able to paste just the subtotals elsewhere. First, you go up to Edit, go to Special, and then Visible Cells Only. When you click OK, you see the entire worksheet gets selected. You'll either use Control-C on the PC or Command-C on the Mac to copy and go over to another sheet. And up here in the upper left, you're going to click this. It's a diamond in the Mac, but it's just a regular, it doesn't have a shape in the PC to select the entire workbook. And then either Control-V or Command-V to paste. And you see what it ends up pasting out are just the values. Now let's say that you still want to get rid of total here and you just want to list the names. Well, that's a pretty easy fix as well. You just select the range, use a find and replace, which is Control F or Command F, and say you replace total with nothing. Leave that blank. Replace all of those, and there you have just the names. And you'll see too that here on the left you still have a subtotal, but it's easy to remove. You just select that range, go to Data and Subtotals, and hit Remove All. And there you have it, an easy way to show only the output of the subtotals when using the subtotals feature without having to select the individual rows. For more tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to Macro Geek 1 on YouTube.